So here we are with the next video, the ninth video, where we are going to discuss about the next theorem, mean value theorem. This is also the part of the previous video where we discussed Rolle's theorem, and this is mean value theorem. Both these theorems are interconnected only. So let's see this statement. Here is the function. Again, function is from AB, which is a real number, be a continuous function on AB and differentiable on open interval AB. Then there exists some C in AB such that f dash C is equal to FB minus FA upon B minus A. There what was it? A point C in AB such that f dash C is equal to 0 in Rolle's theorem, but in mean value theorem this is changed. What does this show? Means the derivative, or you can say the slope, is not equal to 0. It will be having some value. Here what was there? They were coinciding, FB and FA were coinciding, so this becomes 0. Otherwise both the theorems are same. Right? Here FB and FA will be different. That is why we will be getting some value of f dash C. Now let us also understand this with the help of a graph. Here see this, already I had written here this mean value theorem. MVT is a short form of mean value theorem, is an extension of Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem where the slope was becoming equal to 0. Since FB is equal to FA, the condition was there. But in mean value theorem, these two values are not going to be coinciding or not going to be equal, so we will be getting some value over here. So let us see again with the help of a graph. I had plotted one graph over here. If the graph is like this, here is a point A by which I am getting this FA. The value of y means FA, and this is point B, so this is FB. So this point is B comma FB, this is A comma FA, and this is our graph. Suppose a point C is there in between A and B, and at this point C, if I draw this slope, then this value is not equal to 0. Slope of y is fx, which will be FB minus FA. FB minus FA means this value upon B minus A upon this value. So this is the slope of the tangent at CFC is the same as the slope of y is equal to fx. The slope of this value and the slope of this value will be same. So if I had to take the slope of this value, you know it is dy by dx. This is the value. See here, I am drawing a line over here. This value is FB minus FA, and this value in the x-axis, this is B minus A. So the slope of this line will be FB minus FA upon B minus A, and the same will be the slope for this. And these two tangents are parallel to each other. That is why their slopes are equal. Let's understand this also with the help of an example. See here it's written, verify mean value theorem for the function fx is equal to x square in the interval 2, 4. You can easily understand this is the function, this is the value of a, this is the value of b. This is again a polynomial function, so it is continuous, it is differentiable. Already the two conditions are there. Now we have to find f dash x. The derivative of x square is 2x, right? Is defined. This derivative is already defined. Let's find the value of f2 and f4. f2 is becoming 2 square means 4, and f4 is 4 square means 16. So these two are not at all coinciding. So easily we can get the value for f dash c. FB minus FA upon B minus A. Substituting all the values, 16 minus 4 upon 4 minus 2. 12 upon 2, which is giving us 6. First step, continuity, differentiability. Third step, finding f2 and f4. Fourth step, finding out FB minus FA upon B minus A. Now MVT states that there is a point C. C should be belonging to between 2 and 4 such that F dash C is equal to 6. This is the value of F dash C, which is equal to 6. Now we had already found this F dash X, which is 2x. If I write here F dash C, this becomes 2C. This 2C is equal to 6. So C we are getting as 3. And you can easily see that this 3 is between 2 and 4. So here our theorem is proved. C is the point 3 which is between 2 and 4 such that F dash C is equal to 6. So these are the steps we have to follow while proving mean value theorem. You have to finish exercise 5.8. This is your homework. Complete exercise 5.8 in your notebook. Have a good day.